Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. I don't know about you, but I got tired of paying for gel manicures, and this Gugusure UV nail lamp was the perfect solution. Now I have a gel manicure all the time, I don't have to go anywhere, and it's for the fraction of the cost. And that's what really makes this product so wonderful. I love that it has 4 different timer settings. That way, if I want to do a longer time on, say, my base or top coat, it makes it super easy. You're also able to just stick your hand into the machine and the timer will start going. And when you pull it out, it'll stop and turn the light off. It really makes doing your own manicure so easy. You can even do a pedicure. The bottom comes off and you can just set it over your toes on the ground, making it super simple. And overall, it's just a beautiful product. It looks sleek, professional. I love the rose gold accents. So if you're thinking of buying it, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.